Morena, just getting ready for mahi here and thought I'd make a quick video for you all. As you can probably see on the screen, we're looking at where is the thing and where is the person. So we're going to look at a really simple grammatical phrase that says where something is. So in this case, we're going to look at how to talk about where certain things are versus how to say where or ask where certain people are. So how we say this in Māori, it's uh, the structure is almost the same as English, just in this case. So where is the thing? So in Māori we say kei hea, te, and then we say the thing. So in this case we might say puka puka, which means, it's coming in capitals, puka puka means book. So it's pretty simple. Kei hea te puka puka. Kei hea te tepu, table. Kei hea te tepu. Where's the table? Now it gets a little bit different when we start to talk about people. So we don't need to say te. So for people, we might say kei hea, and then we say a, and we'll put someone's name, and I'm going to put my name. Kei hea a Grant, and I'll just write down here so it looks a bit clearer. Kei hea a Grant. Whoops, kei hea a Grant versus kei hea te puka puka. So here's what you can do. Remember that first little bit, which is quite simple, kei hea, and then go and look up some Māori words for different things. Look up, you know what table is, you know what book is. Maybe look up chair, look up shoe, phone, dog, kei hea te kuri, and then you can start forming some question sentences. And then the same goes for names. You can start putting some names in here. Kei hea a, make sure you say a rather than te. Kei hea a Grant, kei hea a Sam, kei hea a Hemi, kei hea a Rawiri. So that should be a pretty simple lesson. And we might just do one more thing. So when we're talking about kei hea te puka puka, when we're talking about where things are, we need to differentiate between if we're talking about one thing or multiple things. So a good example is this. This is shoes, which I said before, shoes. So there's a difference between where is the shoe versus where are the shoes. That's got an S on the end. So we're talking about plurals there. So in this case, we say kei hea, but we have to write, rather than te, because te is for one thing, we're going to write ngā, and that should have a little squiggly line on top, but I don't know how to do it on this keyboard, so I'll just do it with a double A, just to drag that ngā out. So kei hea ngā hu, where are the shoes, versus kei hea te, kei hea te hu, where is the shoe. We can do it again. I'm going to get rid of my name there, and we'll just focus on this quick one. Kei hea ngā hu, kei hea te tepu, where is the table, versus kei hea ngā tepu, where are the tables. And we might write it up here too, just so it's all clear. Kei hea ngā, that's for plural, and then te is for singular. So there you have it. Kei hea te is for singular things, objects rather than people. Kei hea ngā is for multiple objects. So we're talking about shoes, we're talking about tables, chairs. Kei hea a, and then someone's name. That's how we ask where someone is. We won't look at how we can actually say where they are. We're just going to, in this lesson, we're just going to look at how we can query where things are. So if you've got kids, this is a really good game to play. If you can start learning some of the small things around the house, you know, kai hea te puka puka, hide a book from them. Kai hea te pōwaka makariri, where's the fridge? Just all those little items around the house. So the challenge will be not to learn that, because I think this is quite simple. Where are these? It'll be coming up with some Māori words for different things around the house. So have a crack at it. Let me know how you go, and good luck.